Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, actually, I want to give the syllabus what I am going to cover in the artificial intelligence. And coming to the artificial intelligence part, I have already completed some of the parts of the artificial intelligence like agents and other kind of learning techniques. All these things previously I have uploaded, but what I intended is I intended to upload the syllabus as per the syllabus, the contents I want to cover. So this syllabus follows the list of the contents. Just to go through that. If anybody requires other than this, please just message me. Okay, so just comment me in the comment section if anything are skipped or anything I have to add it to the new concepts in the artificial intelligence. Okay, let us have a look in the syllabus. Coming to the unit 1 first. In the unit 1 we are having what is the history of the artificial intelligence, intelligent agents, structure of agents and its functions, problem spaces and such. Actually this thing from the unit 1 I have already completed. Okay, so these videos already completely I have uploaded from the first part of the artificial intelligence introduction part. And coming to the second part, this is having best first search, the heuristic techniques. Here it is having the best first search, problem reduction, constraint satisfaction and means and analysis. Here I have completed the best first search and as well as the greedy best first search and what is the meaning of the heuristic technique, and I need to upload the problem reduction, constraint satisfaction and means and analysis. These things will be uploaded. Just go through my channel. Now, coming to the unit 2, knowledge representation. It is having approaches and issues in the knowledge representation and how the knowledge based agent will work. Next, coming to the proposition logic. It is having some predicate logic, proposition logic, resolution, unification, weak and strong slot filler structures it contains. These are the contents of the unit number 2. Coming to the unit number 3, reasoning under uncertainty, like logics of non monotonic reasoning, implementation, basic probability notation, base rule, certainty factors, and rule based systems, and Bayesian networks, Dempster-Shafer theory, and fuzzy logic. Here I have uploaded the concept regarding monotonic and non monotonic reasoning, and basic probability notation, and base rule. Remaining things I didn't upload it. Just go through my channel. I will upload this content also very soon. Now coming to the unit 4, the planning and learning. These contents are not at all uploaded. The planning with state space search, conditional planning, continuous planning and multi-agent planning. Now coming to the forms of learning like inductive learning, reinforcement learning and learning decision trees, neural net learning and genetic learning. Here I have uploaded only few parts. Remaining parts will be uploaded. Just go through my channel. Now the last one is unit 5. It is having the advanced topics like game playing, min-max search procedure, adding alpha beta cutoffs, and expert system representation of expert system shells, knowledge acquisition, robotics, hardware, robotics perception, planning, application domains, and finally the SWAM intelligent systems like ant colony system, development, application, and working principle of ant colony system. So these are the advanced topics included in the unit number 5. So this is the syllabus that I am going to cover from the artificial intelligence. But my request is, if any one of the contents are not covered under the syllabus, if you think, okay, you think that some of the contents are not covered, just give in the comment section so that I can upload that kind of the notes, sorry, that kind of the syllabus, that related videos also in the artificial intelligence playlist. Okay, so don't forget, it's my request, please comment, write in the comment section if at all any one of the syllabus contents is not covered here and not come under this particular syllabus. So tell me, I will upload in the playlist videos. Okay, so if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials for more videos on more subjects. Now what is the textbook that I am going to cover to the syllabus I want to give? All of you know the very first one is Ellen Rich, Kevin Knight. This is the standard textbook to be followed for the artificial intelligence. Okay, for the unit 1, 2, 3, and 5. And coming to the unit 4, we are having not only unit 4, it is having some contents regarding unit 2 and as well as unit 3 also it covers. Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig it's also a very good and standard book for the artificial intelligence. These are the syllabus contents that we are going to cover in the entire syllabus. These are the textbooks that we are going to use, and these are the contents that are going to be covered in the artificial intelligence syllabus. Okay, so thank you one and all. Thank you so much.